All aboard!
The two ministers are Mrs. Filippina and their husband Angelo.
Buongiorno, signore.
At the entrance, we are welcomed by a beautiful nativity scene made with Sicilian mandarins. What we are witnessing is a real gem. Mrs. Filippina prepares for us the recipe for the cassatelle from Agira. It is a secret for a good part. This is the gonga to warm up, and this is the stone oven where the cassatelle are prepared. We go inside and start a nice chat.
Ma niente, perché mi passava davanti.
How did you two meet? I was 12 years old when he first proposed, but I was too young. It could not be.
Yes, but I didn't give up.
And when did you give up, Mrs. Filippina? At 16, 4 years later. She made you wait a good while, dear Mr. Angelo. The first wedding night, the heart was beating very fast. They made 3 serenades before going to bed. All right, let's go make the cassatelle. The preparation is in honor of Agira. Mamma mia, everyone! The cassatelle of Agira just made. Mrs. Filippina also makes us go around her home and shows us some photos. This is the picture after 8 days. What does this mean? When you first got married, for the first 8 days, you didn't go out. You stayed at home. Let me see how you were after 8 days. Close at home with Angelo. Mamma mia.
Signor Angelo, sono salito sopra. So tutto. So tutto.
Tutto.
Mr. Angelo, I know everything.
Not everything, everything.
Thank you, wonderful couple of Agira. You represent all the Sicilians. It was a wonderful day with two wonderful Sicilians. Thanks, Angela. Thanks, old Joe.